This one's short, sweet, and very suspicious. We see a light bulb popped into its holder, and bam, it glows instantly. Cue dramatic music. The board lifts a couple of centimeters, then the video ends. That's it. Curtain down. No behind the board tour, no close-ups. Let's rewind to the beginning. First, we wind a coil. No mention of how big, how many turns, how long the wire is. Just a random spool slapped together. Science? Nah. Technical details? Not today. This mystery coil is then glued onto a CD, and we're told it can light a bulb. But wait, if free electricity was just floating around the room, this little Frankenstein CD on a stick would already be zapping away. Instead, the creator is happily snipping, handling, and manhandling these so-called live wires like it's craft hour at school. Then, suddenly, plot twist. When he plugs in the bulb, he gets super careful with the red wire, using insulated cutters like he's defusing a bomb. But hang on, wasn't he just holding the same thing bare-handed earlier? Either he's immune to electricity, or we've got ourselves a little editing magic. Look closer. Those red and black wires? They're literally short-circuited across a tiny coil. If there was any power here, it'd just eat itself. So how does the trick work? Easy. Show everything innocent with no power first, then sneak in real power only for the big wow moment. Hide the cable with your arm, or poke it through a hole under the table and into the bulb holder. Later, splice in some early footage where the hole isn't there. Problem solved. Or skip the wires altogether and use a modern rechargeable bulb. These things run on a tiny battery for hours and often come with a remote control. Flip a switch and boom, instant light show. Bottom line, the only thing this contraption is generating is confusion. Unlimited energy? Nope. Unlimited editing tricks and sneaky props? Absolutely. If they actually wanted us to see underneath, they'd have filmed it earlier.